Hey guys, welcome to the Testing Academy. My name is Pramod and welcome to the series of 30 days API testing challenge. And we are at the day 6 where we are just basically mastering the API. We are learning new concepts and this is gonna be a 30-day challenge. You are going to learn lots of new stuff, right? Alright, so today what we are doing is that we are making our first request, first get and post request. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial, I will highly recommend you to watch it. Alright, so let's get started. All right, right. So in this task, what we have to do is that let me show you. So it is the seventh day, and we need to basically complete an exercise and post it on a club, right? So I will recommend you if you haven't made the account at club, I will highly recommend you to go to the club and create your account and share the exercise if you can, right? It is their product, Ministry of Testing. I love the platform. And, this is just me sharing my experience, and I want encouraging you to do the same, right? I'm gonna do the exercise with you right now. So the point here is that we are basically let me come to task, right? So task here is that execute some simple API calls using the tools, right? So this is the things that you have to do. You need to basically send a get request, a post request. You will get exposure of APIs, testing tools, right? And you are going to complete the request with get and post, right? So tools we are using, I'm using Postman. It's a wonderful tool. You can use it. You can use API Fortress. You can use SOAP UI. You can use PA. You can use REST-Ninja.io, REST Woman, anything that you want. Postman is my tool. I really love that one. So exercise I'm not gonna show you. So this is a Postman house look like. So day 7 is already created. It means we are ready. What we need to do is that we are making a get request to this URL, which is automationtesting.online/room, right? So how to make this request? What you need to do is that you need to just enter the URL here. You need to select the HTTP method. There are lots of HTTP methods available in the Postman, and you can select get, just enter the URL and click on send button. After you send, you are basically requesting it to the server. Web server will reply back to you. Okay, so these are the room basically available, and we have this is a JSON. This JSON has a array, basically square brackets are array, and this array contains a single object basically which contains the information about the room. So room ID is 1, room number is 101, type is single, accessible true, email description, feature is again an array with containing TV, Wi-Fi and the feature. These are the features and room price. So suppose I want to check that room number is 101. What you can do is that you can go to test tab, and here there is a button response to the JSON value check, right? When you click on it, uh, basically, yeah. So this code will be automatically generated. It's a test case. It's a API testing test case. We want to test it out, right? So JSON data will give you this data, right? I'm going to explain you how to parse the data in an upcoming video. Don't worry. Right now, just see how I'm doing it here, right? I'm going to put here. So this is the JSON data you will be getting. This is the full thing that you're getting. You want to get rooms, right? So you can uh, use square brackets, room, right? After rooms, we have a array. So we are going to use zeroth element. And after that, we have room number, right? Yeah. So room number is 101. We are basically verifying that thing, right? Let me send it again. And we have a test case passed. So you can write your test case number. Suppose it is 1. If I do, it will fail, right? So because 101 is not equal to, right? So this is the first test case that we have written with the get request, right? And the second task here is that it's very simple, which basically is to go to this URL and make an HTTP post request. So post is nothing but it is used to create the new resource at the server side. For example, a student record that you want to create, you will do a post request. Whenever you are authentication, for example, if you are doing a Facebook login, Instagram login, Twitter login, you are making a post request. You are not making a get request. Get is to fetch the resources. Post is to basically create a new resource or basically used for authentications mostly, right? This is the example post. So basically you will put the URL. It's basically authentication. And here is the difference. If you go to the body part, we have mentioned a JSON. Basically we are passing a username password. We are sending a username password with the authentication API endpoints. We want to authenticate ourselves, right? And the server will give us a token that you are authenticated or not. And make sure you have selected JSON from the drop down when you click send, right? So it will send you a token, right? So that token can contain any value. So basically means we are authenticated. Now the API test that you can write is that you can check for the 200 okay, basically a HTTP status code, plus you can test okay with the body, with the JSON, the response it is coming at, it's a JSON, right? So right now our two test cases are passing, it means everything worked fine, right? So that you can share, and that you can share the details over this exercise, and that is the day 7 task, right? I hope you have liked it. If you have any question, comment down below, and I will be happy to help you, right? And you can watch other tutorials related to API testing if you are interested in learning it. If you are interested in learning the automation, how to switch from automation and all, definitely watch out the other tutorials, right? If you want advanced stuff related to API testing with Postman, you can go to learnapitesting.com and you can learn more about it, right? Thanks a lot for watching till now. I'll see you in the day 8. I'm excited to share this thing. All right. I hope you are doing all the things that we are doing. And if you haven't, start now, create the account and share the details. It is, it has helped me. Basically, it has helped me and it can help you too, right? Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.